Lesson 1. Alertness. Observation. Driving safely takes a lot of concentration. Look around constantly and assess the changing situations as you drive. Be aware of traffic all around you. Before you carry out any maneuver, such as moving off, stopping, turning or changing lanes, you should use your mirrors to assess how your actions will affect traffic behind you. Look around for a final check. Remember, windscreen pillars can obstruct your view. Signal if necessary. If you cannot see behind when reversing, ask a reliable person to guide you. If you cannot see when emerging from a junction because your view is obstructed by parked cars, move forward slowly and carefully until you can get a proper view. Be particularly careful before you overtake. Ensure that you have a clear view of the road ahead. There should not be any bends or dips. You have enough time to complete the maneuver safely. It's also important for other road users to know you're there. When it starts to get dark, switch on your lights, even if the street lights are not on. Where you cannot be seen, such as at a hump bridge, consider using your horn. Anticipation and awareness. Look at the road signs and markings. These give you information about any hazards. You should follow their advice. Slow down if necessary. Watch other road users. Try to anticipate their actions so you're ready if you need to slow down or change direction. When turning right onto a dual carriageway, first check that the central reservation is wide enough for your vehicle. Concentration. Always plan your journey so you know which route you need to take. Have regular rest stops. You will not be able to concentrate properly if you're tired. It's particularly easy to feel sleepy on a motorway, especially at night, so do not drive continuously for more than 2 hours. Keep fresh air circulating in the car. If you start to feel drowsy, leave at the next exit. Find a safe and legal place to stop and take a break. Self-reflection. Sometimes it's tempting to keep driving, no matter how tired you are. Plan rest breaks along your route. This will help you stay alert and arrive safely. Remember, when you drive tired, you're 3 times as likely to be involved in a collision or a near miss. Distraction and boredom. Do not let passengers distract you. Arguing or joking around will take your mind off driving. Loud music will also affect your concentration and will make it difficult for you to hear sounds outside the car. Any of these things could cause you not to notice a potential hazard. You can also be distracted by objects hanging in the car, starting or adjusting any music or radio, looking at a map, talking into a microphone. Just taking your eyes off the road for a second could be disastrous. In that second, at 60 miles per hour, 96 kilometers per hour, your car will travel 27 meters. Using a mobile phone while you're driving is illegal. It also drastically increases the chance of being involved in a collision. Be safe, switch your phone off or put it on voicemail. Wait until you're parked legally in a safe place before you use your mobile phone to retrieve any messages, make any calls, send or receive texts, go online. If you're driving on a motorway, you should leave the motorway and stop in a safe place before using your phone. If your vehicle has a navigation system, stop in a safe place before programming the system. If you lose your way on a busy road, turn into a side road as soon as possible. Stop and check a map. FAQs. Is it okay to use a hands-free phone when driving? Just because it's hands-free does not make it safe. It can still distract you. The person you're talking to cannot see the traffic situation. They will not stop speaking to you if you're approaching a hazard. It's safer not to use a phone at all if you're driving. Wait and find a safe place to stop. I've seen yellow lines painted at intervals across the road. What do they mean? These encourage drivers to reduce their speed. They may be red, You often see them on the approach to a hazard, such as a roundabout. Reduce speed limit. I've heard the term a blind spot. What does this mean? Blind spots are any areas that are hidden from the driver, either by the car's bodywork or areas not covered by the mirrors. Be aware that a lorry driver cannot see you if you're close behind. Keep well back so the driver can see you.